Malaysia. We already done with the group stage, so I hope you can stop crying already.
Harimau Malaya. Yeah, Malaysia, Malaysia public team.
Huh. Huh. Malaysia.
Okay, so the question is, so how did you find today's match after the big wins again against Onyx?
I just want to say because I want to prove to Malaysian people that we are not remake esports, and after proving that, I think they can stop crying already because they've been crying for so long already, for like 3 days, 2 days straight crying. For all I have seen from them is from my Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. All I can see was remake esports, something like that. So we already done with the group stage, so I hope you can stop crying already.
So would you say you had some motivation from the penalties that you got?
Oh, I really have big motivation from that because it's a chance for me to prove to people, especially to Malaysian people, that even though with that kind of penalty, we can still dominate our league.
So one more related question. What can you say about SRG now that the whole announcement has been made?
Oh, SRG, I'm not really care about SRG because I just the fans was the one that so noisy, so I really don't care about SRG. Regardless, I have some close friends in SRG, so I have no big deal with SRG. I just have big deal with some Malaysian fans.
All right, last question. So after the setback, you've come back and now you're in the knockout stages. So is this a good lesson to show, how you can come back even if like
It's a good
is
lesson that regardless of what is happening to you or what is you're feeling right now, you just need to trust yourself. You just need to trust your teammates, and I think anything is possible because every one of us are just the same, pressing the same phone like that. So I think anything is possible if you just trust your teammates and you just in if you just trust yourself.